Okay, let's create waving kind of hat. So in this process, we need 5 balloons here. So inflate a balloon, 2 balloons like this, which quite longer compared to this 3. Okay, so this 3, the allowance at the end here are 4 to 5 inch, and this approximate allowance would be 3.5 inch. Now, let's make a wave kind of hat process. First, you need to put these 2 ends like this, just like that. Now, make a 1 inch bubble all the way. Just repeat the process here on yellow, on our yellow balloon here, and do the same thing here. Do also the same thing here and put it together, and that's it. Now repeat the process. Okay, so now we created the waving kind of hat. So we will gonna put this balloon around here. So careful with your balloons, of course. Put this all the way, connect it on one another like this. And that's it. Now we created a nice hat. Now we're not done here, because we will gonna put this balloon here. Okay, but of course before we put it, let's make a teddy bear twist here by creating a small loop over here. Okay, lock it up, put it here, put it around, that's it. Now do the same thing here, create a small loop here, teddy bear twist, just like that. Now put it here, and for the last time, do it again here. Okay, put it here on this side. Okay, and now arrange, of course. So we have a weaving hat. Now, of course, make a poodle tail here, all the way up, like this. And do the same thing here also. Just like that. So we have a hat. Now let me wear this first so that you can appreciate about this wonderful hat that we created. And now, how about that?